I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting to you on the grain market today. Soybeans were up. The USDA reports did come out and they told us there's a smaller than expected 2017 crop, and so that really gave the market a little bit of boost. We've had a sell-off really for the past couple of weeks, but big supplies still loom and they're weighing on the futures, and I think it's keeping a lid on any significant rally, even though we've had kind of a big break of the US dollar index, and that gave the soybeans a little bit more of a boost to kind of push it higher. But I think that maybe our rally could be limited because of the size of the stocks that are out there, and they're really up from our December numbers. So for right now, that the market still looks really strong and it rebounded very well. Corn, on the other hand, slipped a little bit. The final crop numbers were better than expected, so that's kind of had the opposite. It got down there. There has been some minor buying that kind of like helped to stop the bearish sentiment of the market moving lower. But traders expect a little bit more of they expected a slight decrease, and because we had the increase, that's why the market really moved up. Also, we did have a huge harvest. That may weigh heavily on corn for the next number of weeks, so we can see a choppy market. It's very difficult for traders or even investors to get short at these low levels, so I don't see like a big sell-off right now, but the market is still kind of languishing here in this area. Wheat also fell. Now, there was a relatively neutral report on the wheat market, and it kind of stirred some selling. The market had rallied so much that it was vulnerable to a correction, and with the plantings being up for 2018, there was nothing else to really hold the market up or any buyers to kind of keep support. So the market did have some double-digit losses. We were almost down 14 cents at one point, but it certainly seems that it had some room to fall, and now it's gaining some equilibrium. And even at 14 cents lower where we are today, the market is still much stronger than it had been over the last couple of months. So it still looks relatively good. We didn't get any limit move or anything like that. But we're going to be watching now. After this long weekend, we're going to be headed into more of a weather market. So I expect to see the markets being a little bit more choppy as we go forward. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.